Hello viewer. In this video we will see what is computer algorithm and its types. In subsequent videos we will discuss each algorithm practically using Python. Please subscribe to motivate us to bring more such contents. A computer algorithm is a step-by-step procedure or a set of rules for performing a specific task or solving a particular problem. It is a sequence of well-defined, unambiguous instructions that a computer can execute to achieve a desired result. Algorithms are essential in computer science and programming as they provide a systematic way to solve problems and perform computations. There are various types of algorithms, classified based on their design and purpose. Here are some common types of algorithms. Sequential or linear search algorithm. This algorithm involves searching for an element in a list or array in a sequential manner until the desired element is found. Binary search algorithm. This algorithm is used for searching in a sorted list. It repeatedly divides the search space in half until the target element is found. Sorting algorithms. Sorting algorithms arrange elements in a specific order. Common sorting algorithms include bubble sort, repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements, and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. Merge sort, divides the array into two halves, recursively sorts each half, and then merges them. Quick sort, picks a pivot element and partitions the array into two subarrays, then recursively sorts each subarray. Searching algorithms. Searching algorithms are designed to locate a specific item in a collection of items. Besides linear and binary search, other searching algorithms include hash-based search algorithms. Graph algorithms. Algorithms designed to operate on graphs, which consist of nodes connected by edges. Examples include breadth-first search, BFS, and depth-first search, DFS. Dynamic programming algorithms. These algorithms solve complex problems by breaking them down into simpler overlapping subproblems. Memorization is often used to store and reuse solutions to subproblems to avoid redundant computations. Greedy algorithms. Greedy algorithms make locally optimal choices at each stage with the hope of finding a global optimum. The decision is made based on the current best option without considering the consequences. Divide and conquer algorithms. This strategy involves breaking down a problem into smaller, more manageable subproblems, solving them independently, and then combining the solutions to solve the original problem. Randomized algorithms. Algorithms that use random numbers to make decisions during execution. These algorithms are often employed in situations where randomness can simplify the problem or improve efficiency. Backtracking algorithms. Backtracking involves trying out different possibilities until a solution is found. If a solution is not found, the algorithm backtracks to the previous step and explores other options. These are just a few examples which covers college and university examinations. Apart from what we have just discussed, there are many more types of algorithms, each suited to different types of problems and scenarios. The choice of algorithm depends on the specific requirements of the task at hand, as well as considerations of efficiency and resource usage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to motivate us to bring more such contents.